everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So, you already seen the name of the recipe, and this is made with one of my favorite fruits, summer fruits, which is ripe jackfruit. So, I love mangoes, I love all the other summer fruits that come, love apples, and you name it. But sometimes, I love to eat jackfruit just as it is, but sometimes you have a lot of it and you don't know what to do with it. So why not make something like a cake? There's no eggs in it, there's no flour, there's no baking involved. It's super simple and it's super healthy also, because we're not using butter, we're not using oil, we're not using ghee, just very simple, healthy ingredients. So let's get started with today's recipe, and also watch the video till the end because I'll give you a few tips about the recipe. So let's jump straight ahead into today's lovely recipe. guys, wasn't that really simple? Put everything into one pot and you're all ready to go. Now, a few tips about the recipe. So first of all, you can use, I'm using very fine semolina or rava, but you can also use dalia, which is broken wheat. You can use that. If you don't have either of the two, you can also supplement it with some rice flour. Just make the rice flour into a paste and then you add that. Or you can even soak Goa rice or normal rice and then make a paste of it and add that. So these are the different supplements that you can use in place of fine rava. Now if you have medium rava or thick rava, just grind it in a mixer till it becomes nice and fine for this recipe. Now other things are, there's coconut milk. So you can either make the coconut milk like I have shown you all in some of the videos, or you can even buy the ready-made coconut milk, the powder form that you get. Just put it into some hot water, whisk it, and you're ready for that. So these are all the easy ways of making this recipe really simple. Now I'm using cardamom powder. I've just taken 4 whole cardamoms, peeled them and ground them to a powder in my mortar and pestle. Or you can also use a little bit of vanilla essence if you don't have cardamom powder at home. And that's it. And steam this because it's a real healthy way of making this cake rather than baking it. Now if you don't have a steamer at home, what you need to do is you take a pressure pan or your cooker, fill it with water, put some kind of a stand. Normally you get a stand with every cooker, but otherwise you just put a steel stand. Then put this the tin, a cake tin on top of it. Then you put your cooker lid and don't put the whistle, and steam this on high fire for about 30 minutes like you would with a normal steamer, that is if you don't have a steamer. So these are the few tips I just wanted to share with you, because to make this recipe easy and to supplement things. So there are many questions is, I don't have this at home, so can I use this? So I've just given you all the alternatives, but if you still have more queries, you can write to me in the comment section below. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you like it. It is a little different in taste, but it is good. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Also don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's recipes if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, do click on the notification bell and click on all. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my videos. It means the world to me. And I'll say bye. I'll catch you soon in my next video.